Ever wonder why cars from the 50s, 60s, and 70s could keep running strong even after decades on the road? These machines weren't packed with advanced electronics, yet they often lasted longer than some modern vehicles. The secret wasn't just in how they were built, it was in how they were cared for. Classic car owners followed rituals that have quietly been forgotten in today's world of quick oil changes and computerized diagnostics. In this video, we're unlocking those lost secrets of classic car care practices that can still make your car last longer and perform better today. Stick until the end, because secret number 5 is the forgotten ritual that mechanics today almost never mention, but it could save you thousands of dollars and even prevent an engine rebuild. Let's dive in. Secret 13. The gentle warm-up practice. Back in the day, nobody started their car and immediately slammed the gas pedal. Classic car owners treated the engine like a living thing that needed to wake up. They would let the car idle for a few minutes, giving oil enough time to circulate through all the bearings, pistons, and moving parts. Modern engines do warm up faster, but rushing to drive hard on a cold engine still causes unnecessary wear. Giving your car even 30 to 60 seconds to stabilize before pulling out can extend engine life significantly. It's a small habit that drivers in the classic era considered non-negotiable, and one we can all benefit from reviving. Secret 12. Regular greasing. In the golden age of motoring, a grease gun was just as important as a wrench. Cars had grease fittings on suspension arms, ball joints, and steering linkages. Owners would crawl under their vehicles every few months and inject fresh grease into every moving part. Today, most modern cars use sealed parts that don't require service, but many trucks, older cars, and aftermarket suspension components still have grease points. Neglecting them shortens lifespan drastically. Classic mechanics knew that a little grease in the right place could mean thousands of miles of extra life. And that is something worth remembering if you want your suspension and steering to last. Secret 11. Cooling system flushing. One of the biggest enemies of classic engines was overheating, and old-school drivers knew how to prevent it. They flushed their cooling system regularly. They didn't just top off coolant when it ran low, they drained and replaced it once a year without fail. This was because coolant doesn't only control temperature, it also fights corrosion inside the radiator and engine block. Even though modern coolants last longer, following this old ritual of flushing and refilling every few years keeps the system fresh and healthy. It's a lost secret that can save your engine from catastrophic damage. Secret 10. Hand washing and waxing rituals. Before automated car washes, people treated cleaning their vehicles like a weekly ceremony. Classic car owners would grab buckets, sponges, and microfiber cloths and carefully hand wash every inch of paint and chrome. They didn't stop there. They always applied carnauba wax to create a protective coat that preserved the shine and protected the paint from UV rays and rain. Unlike modern quick washes, this process wasn't rushed. It gave owners time to inspect the car for small chips, scratches, or rust spots, and fix them before they spread. This ritual not only made the car shine like new, but also preserved bodywork for decades. That's why so many vintage cars still have their original paint looking gorgeous even after half a century. Secret 9. Spark plug and ignition tune-ups. Before modern computers, cars required constant attention to their spark and fuel delivery systems. Owners pulled spark plugs, inspected them like doctors reading X-rays. This wasn't just busy work. It made engines run smoother, more efficiently, and prevented unburnt fuel from damaging the exhaust system. But checking spark plugs every 20,000 to 30,000 miles still reveals hidden problems before they turn into major issues. Classic car tune-ups taught us that a healthy ignition system equals a healthy engine, and that wisdom hasn't changed. Secret 8. Oil changes were sacred. For classic car owners, oil wasn't something to ignore until a dashboard light came on. It was the lifeblood of the engine. People didn't just follow mileage intervals, they checked oil color, smell, and thickness directly on the dipstick. If it looked dark or smelled burnt, it was changed immediately. Mechanics of the past knew that dirty oil caused sludge buildup, overheating, and early engine death. While synthetic oils today can last longer, the old-school practice of checking your dipstick every few weeks, in the classic era, this ritual of respecting oil was one of the main reasons engines could rack up hundreds of thousands of miles without failure. Secret 7. Battery water checks. Unlike modern sealed batteries, older car batteries required regular topping up with distilled water. Drivers would pop the caps, check each cell, and refill them to the correct level to prevent plates from drying out. Many classic owners carried a jug of distilled water in the trunk just for this reason. Even though modern batteries are maintenance-free, regularly checking terminals for corrosion and cleaning them with baking soda and water, this old-school ritual shows how much attention to detail kept cars reliable when roadside assistance wasn't a phone call away. Secret 6. Tire rotation rituals. Back when tires cost a fortune and wore out fast, classic owners squeezed every mile out of them. Want to know the secret? Tire rotation. They also checked air pressure weekly, understanding that underinflation meant poor mileage and dangerous handling. Compare that to today, where many drivers don't touch their tires until a flat happens. Revive this classic ritual, and you'll not only save money but also drive safer every single day. Secret 5. Fuel system cleaning. Back in the carburetor era, fuel wasn't as clean as today's refined gasoline, and deposits formed fast. Drivers knew that dirty fuel systems led to stalling, rough idling, and poor acceleration. So, they performed regular carburetor cleanings, changed fuel filters religiously, and used additives like Marvel Mystery Oil to keep lines and jets clear. A smooth fuel flow meant perfect combustion. Even with modern injectors, dirt still builds up. Keep your fuel clean, and your engine will always thank you. Secret 4. Rust prevention. Hacks. For classic car owners, rust wasn't just a problem. It was a monster lurking beneath the surface, waiting to devour their beloved machines. That's why they developed clever hands-on hacks to stop it before it started. Many would hose down the undercarriage after driving through rain or salty roads, knowing moisture was the enemy. Others sprayed the frame and wheel wells with protective oil coatings. Some went as far as applying wax to every inch of the body, sealing the metal like armor. Today, road salt and humidity are still silent killers. And if you want your modern ride to age gracefully, this old-school rust-proofing wisdom is worth reviving. Rust never sleeps, but neither did those classic car lovers. Secret 3. Exhaust system inspections. Classic drivers didn't ignore what was underneath their cars. Every few months, they'd slide under with a flashlight to inspect the exhaust pipes and muffler for rust, cracks, or leaks. Small leaks were patched immediately with clamps or welding. Why? Because they knew exhaust leaks weren't just noisy, they were deadly, letting fumes seep into the cabin. They also checked hangers to prevent vibrations. Even today, rusted or loose exhausts can cost a fortune if ignored. That's one classic habit that deserves a comeback, because safety never goes out of style. Secret 2. Valve adjustments. In classic cars, valve adjustments were as routine as oil changes. Mechanical lifters needed precise clearance to breathe correctly. If the valves were too tight, they'd burn out. Too loose, and they'd clatter, hurting performance. Mechanics or skilled owners used feeler gauges to adjust valves every 15 to 20,000 miles. It was tedious work, but it kept engines humming perfectly. Modern hydraulic lifters rarely need adjustment, but this tradition teaches an important lesson. An engine performs best when everything is in harmony. Something machines can't sense, but humans can. Secret 1. The Listen and Feel Test. In the days before fancy sensors and dashboard alerts, the most powerful diagnostic tool a driver had was their own senses. Classic car owners could tell when something was off simply by listening and feeling. A new rattle under the hood meant a loose bolt. A faint whine while accelerating hinted at a worn bearing. Even the smell of hot metal or fuel carried warnings they learned to trust. They'd rest a hand on the steering wheel or shifter, feeling for vibrations that told stories about their car's health. This wasn't guesswork, it was intuition built over years of paying attention. And there you have it, the lost secrets of classic car care that kept old machines alive for decades. These weren't just mechanical habits, they were lessons in respect, patience, and connection between man and machine. So, which of these secrets surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks.